Alright, I don't know if you can see, but there's a good dent here. You can see that somebody with a trailer hitch bumped into it, so I'm going to try to use the hot water method. Okay, I got some boiling water. Put it right here like so. Let it get nice and hot. And see if it pops out. Okay, hold on here. Right.
Hot?
Yeah, don't touch the thing, just touch the handle. And from underneath, we're gonna push that out.
Oh, cool. Wait, it's plastic?
Yeah, this is all plastic. The hot water just makes it pliable. Now we just gotta polish this stuff out, and that should do it. Okay. Hey, that's it. All right, looks like it's okay. Polish this out. This is a good sized dent. I don't think that's gonna come out, but the actual crease is gone, so that's good. All right.